So hello guys, my name is Anur Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's screen video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the 3rd June 2024, and this video I'm showing the present day, that is 3rd June 2024. Because of some reasons, last 2 days routine video I was unable to shoot just because of some reasons, and I can't tell you. I know this is not matter of can't tell you that I not done because I think that I am busy, and because of some work I was unable to shoot the video. But I also always wanted that I always wanted that I shoot video in a continuously manner, and I don't wanted to skip any day's routine video, and I don't want that I upload my video at a very late manner. But nowadays guys, I'm feeling very bad, okay, not feeling very well, that's why. And you already know that I already told you about that my lips, it is, it's blow down, and I literally I feeling very pain when because of that reason. But nowadays it is not paining too much, because paining but small manner, okay. But yeah, this is the thing which was happened guys today. So let's start this train video without having the further delay, okay. So basically today I woke up at around 8:30, okay, and I went to the ground floor. After that I went to the bathroom, okay. So after coming from the bathroom I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I I worshipped in a very proper manner. After doing the worship I after doing the worship I wore the clothes which is required, okay. After that I ate food. What I ate today, I ate like lady finger bhujia. I don't know what we call bhujia in English. Let me write it here so that I can translate very soon. So I ate lady finger bhujia and roti, that means chapati, okay. So yeah, so after doing all the things, this is the thing which was happened on that day, and on that day means today this is happened, okay. So yeah, and basically after that I filled the cooler. I helped my mother to fill the cooler. Basically before filling the cooler I was at first floor, and today I started doing the preposition. But from before I told that I pronounced that like that preposition, but that is preposition, okay. So basically I had done this, and my mother called me, and after that I filled the cooler with the help of my mother, and I filled the cooler with the help of my mother. I filled the cooler with the help of my mother. So basically this is the thing that I had done, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that I started preposition. The part 1 of preposition I have already completed, and I also wrote down all the notes, okay. So this is the thing which I had done actually, okay. So yeah, so after that basically after completing the part 1 I was just taking the rest, and after that I went to the ground floor and I ate food, okay, while watching the TV, okay. So after that I didn't done anything. I talk at JoStock apps, and if you don't know about the JoStock app, if I tell you seriously, the JoStock basically it is a way of communication where you can talk to someone, a person who also wanted to speak in English, okay, so that you can practice in English from there. So basically this is the thing which I wanted to tell you guys, and that is it. So yeah, so basically this was happened on that day, and there is nothing to tell you, okay. So after that what I had done, let me think first, guys. So after that, yeah, after that my mother came, and after that my mother told me that that some my mother taken the rest, and after that my mother told me to brought food for her. So after that I brought food, okay. So after that my mother ate, and I also ate the food, and after that I off the light, and after that my mother went for the sleep, and after that I also went for the sleep. And basically guys, I woke up at the evening, okay. No, sorry. I didn't wake up. I didn't went for the sleep on that time. I went to the first floor, was situating my all these stuffs like that, okay, on my notebooks, and that's it. And after that I went to the ground floor, okay. And after that I went for the sleep, because I also feel very sleepy on that time, okay. So basically this is the thing which was happened, and after that I woke up at around 8 I woke up, okay. and after that I woke up at proper manner. After that I filled the cooler, and after that I ate food. What I ate today? I ate today, soya bean and potato sabji and chapati, and I also ate khichdi. Basically, khichdi is a food where it is an Indian food where it is made up of lentils and rice, and you can also add some vegetables as well as soya bean. Okay, so I searched in Google that what we call khichdi in English. So very long definition came. Okay, and the correct English word not came, and there it is. Okay, so basically guys, this is a thing which was happened, and after that I talked to my parents. I spent some time with my parents, and after that I went to the first floor and I didn't done anything. Okay, and after that again I went to the ground floor. After that I reached again went to the first floor, and after that I'm shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand this video, then can you kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuous manner without skipping the anything. Okay, so and also I wanted to tell you that if you found any kind of mistakes of mine while speaking, like a grammar mistake or a English speaking mistake, so you kindly please tell me in comment section. I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me, that you are trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills. So okay guys, so let's start today's 5 learning vocabulary. Okay, so we should give the name of 5 learning vocabulary. Okay, I'll think. Okay, so basically the first word is envelope. Envelope. Envelope means lifafa. I know that you stole my envelope. I know that, and it is the real that the CCTV footage came and you stolen my envelope. Give me my envelope, otherwise I do something which you can't imagine. But I didn't. I didn't stolen your envelope, literally. I know that. Now I'm totally sure that. Okay guys, so this is the envelope. Okay, and let's take another example. Oh shit, I forget my envelope to at home. Shit guys. So yeah, this is a thing. So the next word is patience. So patience means like dheeraj. Okay, sabr. So be patient everybody. We are just only half an hour late to reach Singapore. So please be patient, and it is just a technical error, and we are really apologize to you, and be patient. Okay, why I take patience? My audition at 7:30, and you are telling me to we will reach airport at around 8. How can it would be happen? I can't patience. I can't do patience. I can't show patience. I don't have patience. I want to reach at 7:30 and that's it. So basically this is the patience. It means dheeraj, sabr rakhna. Sorry guys, I am using Hindi word. Just trying to just translating, not speaking. Okay. So the next word is whisper. So basically guys, the meaning of whisper is basically fusfusana. Okay. So like, why are you whispering? It means तुम क्यों फुसफुसा रहे हो. Okay, so basically everybody whispering there. I don't know why they all are doing this such kind of activity. I think they all are trying to something hide from me. It can't be possible. That's it. So the next word is guys apparently. Okay, निश्चित रूप से. I apparently reach to the audition at 7:30, and mind this my word, and I am that kind of person who always stand their command. Okay, so yeah, basically this is the apparently, and the last word is essential. That means zaruri. This is very essential for yours coming in our marriage. If you don't come, then I feel that it is not essential. This marriage is not essential if you don't come. If you come, then I feel that it is very essential for us, that you are giving your time, a big celebrity. So what means? That means it is very essential. Okay, so you are very essential for them, so you need to be a courageous person. Okay, understood? So basically guys, this is the meaning of essential, and now we have completed the 5 words of vocabulary. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the thing which was happened today. So for today, let's end the video. One thing is also guys, today is 3rd June 2024. Okay, now tomorrow is 4th June 2024. So tomorrow will be announce the result of the election. Basically, before having the election, I am telling you that who will win. Modi will win. Mr. Narendra Modi will win. The BJP will be win to the all over India PM. Okay, so I'm already telling you that guys, because I know that I estimates my knowledge. That's it. So yeah guys, let's see who will be won, but BJP win 100% sure. So for today, let's end the video guys. See you there. Bye bye.